Hey, what's up guys, it's Daniel here, back with another video. A while back I ordered some titanium and magnesium, just arrived, and I'm trying to figure out what is the best order to stack these in. So I have 3 plates of magnesium, 4mm, or I don't know the inch conversion, and 2.5 and 4mm of titanium. So a total of 6.5mm titanium and 12mm of magnesium for a total of 1/4 inch plate. 0.75 inches. So I'm trying to figure out whether I should have all the titanium up front and then the magnesium, or if I should put the thin plate in the back, have the titanium, you know, kind of break the bullet apart, then slow it down as much as possible, and then this will catch whatever. Or if I should just break the bullet up as much as possible and then hope that the magnesium stops it. Or I can also put the 4mm titanium in the back and just have the thin up front. So let me know what order you guys think I should put this in. Yeah, write that in the comments and then I'll go with whichever one you guys pick.